Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Do you know that investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth over time? However, many beginners are intimidated by the complexity of the stock market and the perception that investing requires a lot of money. Well, the truth is investing in stocks is accessible to almost anyone, even those with little money to start with. So, in this video, we are going to talk about top 5 tips on how to invest in stocks for beginners with little money. Tip number 1. Start with small amount of money. You don't need a lot of money to start investing in stocks. Starting small can help you learn the ropes of investing without risking too much money. Tip number 2. Do your research. Before you invest in any stock, make sure you do your research. Read up on the company, its financials and its industry. Look for trends and patterns that could indicate whether the company is likely to grow or decline in the future. Tip number 3. Consider index funds. If you are new to investing and you don't have a lot of money to spare, index funds can be a good option. An index fund is a type of mutual fund that tracks a particular stock market index such as Nifty 50. By investing in an index fund, you can get exposure to a broad range of stocks without having to pick individual stocks yourself. Tip number 4. Diversify your portfolio. One of the important rules of investing is to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different stocks, industries, and asset classes to spread out your risk. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce the impact of any single stock or market on your overall investments. Tip number 5. Be patient. Investing in stocks is a long-term game. Don't expect to make a quick profit overnight. Instead, focus on investing for the long term and staying patient through market fluctuations. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something valuable today. Then drop a like below and subscribe to the channel for more such videos on financial education.